To come on here and talk to y'all about online at-home jobs. And as some of y'all already know, I worked from home before. I was a writer for Demand Studios and eHow as well. And then also, guys, I have my own website. And so I just wanted to come on here and talk about three different at-home jobs that you can do. The very first one is called educational. It's a position for educational consultant, and it's for IVY experience. And this particular position, and like I said, I will leave the information there in the description box below. But this particular position is from May to December, and you get paid. The pay rate is between 40 to 45,000 per year. And the second job is Lecturio, and they're looking for a brand ambassador. Lecturio is a site, a medical website that gives medical lectures and information to medical students, and they're have different positions for a medical writer. And then also, guys, I don't know if y'all ever heard of Hubpages. That's one as well. And like I said, I will leave the information in the description box. And I know I would be doing updates on different opportunities and things like that, and just passive income in general, and also writing in general as well. And I will be posting these videos, so y'all be on the lookout for that. Subscribe to the channel, and I will leave those three particular job opportunities down in the description box. I know when I created this channel in 2017, I mentioned, that I will be doing be talking about information about writing and generating income, and just some information also as well offered in the medical field too. So yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. All right, I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.